everyone, I hope you're having a good day. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amy and this is Mix It McGee, and my channel is just a mixture of cooking videos, clean videos, Dollar Tree hauls, grocery hauls, stuff like that. So if you like it, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm just going to be cooking a meal that is cheap and it's really quick, really easy, and it can feed a lot of people. So if you're looking for a meal to feed like a large family, then this is definitely it. And you can see it in the background cooking away. It's just ground meat, carrots, and rice, and it's really good. Today's my son's birthday. He wanted me to make that. I used to make it a lot when he was little, so I asked him what he wanted today, and he said this. So let's get started. Okay, and it's all done, and it's right here. The steam's still coming out. Now, it may not look very pretty, but I promise you it's really good. And it smells so good too. Sometimes it's, to me, it's the simple things like this that are just really good. Very good. Nice and simple and good. And that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. And I hope you all have a good week and a safe week. And remember to be kind, spread love, spread kindness. The world needs more of it.